Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to take fabulous product pictures for your online store. Stay tuned. What is happening, everybody? This is Sean Alami, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I was selling on Amazon right up until the pandemic, and I gotta tell you, it is one of the most time-insisting things I've ever had to do. And I've been involved in some time-consuming projects. In this line of work, not everyone has the luxury of having a team, so selling on Amazon, eBay, or having an online store, for some, it has to be a one-man job. And that job is, some of you already know, picking the right product, bringing it from overseas, clearing customs, registering inventory, creating listings, advertising, SEO, you name it. And to go with that, you're gonna have to come up with some fancy pictures. And for those who don't have any background in photography, this little task could make you want to jump off a cliff. And that's why I'm making this video, guys, so you wouldn't have to do that. This trick I'm going to show you is going to help you save a lot of time. And in your line of work, time is money. So without further ado, I bring to you one of the easiest, fastest ways to take fabulous product pictures for your store. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we need is a digital camera. And to go with that is a compatible flash. And the next thing we need is a white desk pushed against a white wall. And that is all we need to bring this thing into life. Now I could be using my full frame expensive digital camera for this example, but I'm not going to do that. And that's because you don't necessarily need such camera to get these results. And instead, I'm going to be using my Sony Alpha 6000. It's not a full frame camera, it's very affordable. And if you're planning to take your own pictures for your business, this is one of the essential things you need. So we're going to place our object on the desk. And the number one important thing is the angle. We don't want to be looking at it from the side. We want to bring the camera right over top of it, and the flash needs to be facing the wall. This way the light reflects right from the wall onto our object, and that's what we want. And this is what it looks like right out of the camera. Boom. Look at that. And with a little bit of adjustments, this is what we get. Now I say the angle is important because if you were to look at it from straight on, this is how it would look like. You definitely won't get this. Alright, let me show you some more examples using some other objects. So again, we position ourselves over top of the object with the camera, and we make sure the flash is facing the wall. And boom. Now let's look at some comparisons of the difference between if you were to shoot straight on and from above in the same scenario. I mean, it still looks nice, but in my opinion, this one looks better. This is another example. From the side and then from the top. Wow, just look at that. Look how beautiful that screen looks. And this is no adjustments in Photoshop. This came right out of the camera looking like that. There's nothing on that screen because the only thing that's reflecting on it is that white wall with that beautiful light. You're gonna make sure that there's nothing on that wall, like a picture frame, because it will reflect on your glass surface. And this is a good example of that. And these are the examples using the same method. Now I want to go through one of these edits for you guys. There's not really much going on, just some simple adjustments, but let's go through it anyways. So the first thing I would do is fix the white balance on these. A little bit of contrast. Bump up the clarity a little bit to make it pop out. Use a brush to make the whites a little bit more whiter so it looks more like a product photo. And in my opinion, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time.